Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install macOS 14 Sonoma official release on VMware 17. Now open VMware 17. Click on New. Click New Virtual Machine. Click Next. Click I will install operating system later. Click Next. Already selected macOS and version macOS 14. Click Next. Click Browse. I am changing our default virtual machine storage location. Click Make New Folder. I am given it name called macOS 14 Sonoma. Click OK. Click Next. Specify disk capacity. 80 GB is enough space to install macOS Sonoma. Click Next. Click Finish. Double-click on CD/DVD. Click Use an ISO image. Choose the path of ISO image file. Click Open. Let's click on Processor. Number of processor is 2. Number of cores per processor is 2. Click on Memory. I will choose 8 GB memory of this machine. Click OK. Click Power on this virtual machine. Select language, in my case I will choose English, English India. Click Next. Click Disk Utility. Click on Continue. Select Disk. Click on Erase. Fill the name of disk. I am given it name called Sonoma. Click Erase. Click Done. Click Disk Utility. Select Quit Disk Utility. Click on Install macOS Sonoma. Click on Continue. Click Continue. Click on Agree. Click Agree again. Select Disk. Click on Continue. macOS Sonoma installation process, it will take some time. Select your country and region. I will choose India. Click on Continue. Written and spoken languages. Click on Continue. Accessibility option. Click Not Now. How do you connect option? Select My computer does not connect to the internet. If you don't have internet connection, click on Continue. Click Continue again. Data and Privacy option, leave as default. Migration Assistant, click Not Now. Terms and Conditions. Click Agree. Click Agree again. Create a computer account. Type here name. Type here password. Verify password. Type password hint. Click on Continue. Enable location services. Click on Continue. Click Don't use. Select your time zone. I will choose Indian Standard Time. Click Continue. Analytics option, click on Continue. Screen time option. Click Setup letter. Choose your look, leave as default. Type here ROHIT user password. Press enter. Now our macOS installed successfully. Go to About this Mac. As you can see, this is our macOS Sonoma official release. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install macOS 14 Sonoma official release version on VMware 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.